So right now, we have a dense fog advisory, some wind advisories, special weather statements, winter weather advisories, and winter storm warnings for a bunch of different areas around here in the Midwest. So I'm going to go over all of these areas. So first, let's talk about the winter storm. So we had a winter storm warning up here in Minnesota right now, parts of northern Wisconsin, and parts of the UP and Michigan. There's going to be a winter storm making its way through all of these areas that are in the pink. So if you're in the pink, make sure not to slip or fall on sidewalks or porches, and try not to drift out when on icy roadways, as roads will be icy. We also have a winter weather advisory if you're over here in North Dakota, where cold temperatures will be likely. And this is the blue, so if you're in the blue, you guys can see cold weather, and as well maybe a few drops of snow will be a possibility, as a winter storm is actually developing over this area and will make its way into Minnesota, into northern Wisconsin, into the UP and Michigan. So we got a special weather statement over here for dense fog, where fog will be a possibility today in this area. So if you see all these gray places, those are areas that are expected to see some fog this morning, and those warnings will probably be out around the afternoon time. So yeah, we don't really have to worry about those that much. But if you're driving this morning, make sure to slow down if it gets pretty foggy. We also do got a wind advisory. Let's talk about the wind advisories now. We got high wind warning and wind advisories in South Dakota and Nebraska, where some high winds will be a possibility and can actually blow around unsecured objects, including holiday decorations. We also have a wind advisory for parts of northern Illinois and almost all of Indiana, including Indianapolis and Fort Wayne, and even includes Columbus and parts of central Ohio, where we have a wind advisory where we can see winds up to 60 miles per hour possibly, and it expires tomorrow. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. And secure outdoor objects. And if you're over here in any of these places that are expecting strong winds, make sure your holiday decorations don't fly away. If you're over here in northern Michigan, you guys have a winter storm watch, where a winter storm is going to be a possibility, and conditions are favorable for a winter storm. Here's a look at the snowstorm that's developing over parts of Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota. The blue is snow and the green is rain. That will make its way into northern Wisconsin and into the UP and Michigan, and then some snow flurries will be a possibility in northern Indiana, parts of northern Ohio, and parts of Michigan from lake effect snow and stuff like that, and from this winter storm as well.